Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Smita and today's topic is very interesting and very important to your life. How to make a project successful. Making a project successful, maybe it an easy one or the complex one, is a difficult task. And to complete this task, we put a lot of hard work and a lot of effort. So there are some tips to understand how to make a project successful. So let's get started. Project management is all about optimally utilizing available resources, that is men, money and materials, to deliver the end product that meets the expectation of client while staying within the allocated budget and the time constant. It appears quite easy and straightforward, doesn't it? But that's not the way it works. Managing a project from start to finish can be a tricky process that poses complex, overwhelming challenges to the project managers. Many projects fail because of the roadblocks that cannot be resolved in a time. A successful project manager is one who can successfully execute the project plan as it moves through the various stages until the final product is delivered. Just like any other industry, IT managers need to be dynamic and constantly adapt to the latest management practice to stay ahead of the competition or even to stay in one. First, collect requirements from the key stakeholders. Once you have created the project charter and identify key project stakeholders, it is essential to gather requirements. You need input to generate output. As the sayings go, the planning process starts with collecting requirements from the stakeholder. Once you have this information, you will be able to define the scope of the project and determine exactly what you need to deliver to your stakeholder. Second, define the scope of project. Ask yourself, what does in the team need to produce or deliver? And what problems are the stakeholders trying to solve? Then work with the stakeholders to develop a comprehensive description of the project and the product deliverables in the form of project scope statement. You must have a clear understanding of boundaries of the project. Third, create a work breakdown structure. Break down the project scope into smaller, more manageable deliverables and group-related tasks, also known as work packages. This will allow you to assign resources to different parts of the project based on the skills needed. Fourth, define project activities. Break down work packages into the list of project activities. Consider this as an action plan. It can help to ask yourself, what are activities that must be performed to create the deliverables of the project? Fifth one, sequence project activities. Almost everything happens in the sequence, but the trick is to do as many things in the parallel as possible if you have the resources to do. Sixth one, estimate activity duration, cost and resources. The cost, duration and the resources required to complete the project activities depend on the scope of the project. Seventh one, assign resource to the work packages and activity according to the skills and interest. Resources include not only labor but also material, equipment, space and technology. After identifying which resources will need, Alexa suggested identifying the skill level need each activities. Build in contingencies. A plan without contingency is a bad plan. As the saying goes, project rarely goes as planned. So you need to build in a backup plan. The contingencies can be determined by looking at the historical data to identify risks that occurs on the similar project in the past. Ninth one, create a performance management baseline. Develop an integrated scope schedule cost baseline for the project work, which will serve as a control tool for your project. 10th one, develop all subsidiary plan. Developing a comprehensive and realistic planning requires time and effort. As the saying goes, however, planning can make your life easier during the execution phase of project by preventing the nasty surprises and misunderstandings. Now let's come to the point and talk on that. How to make a project successful. Now we have few steps which can help you to make the project successful. So let's start with it. The first one is to walk and talk. Lead by example. Being a project manager means you can talk all you want to, but remember to follow the word yourself too. If you fail to walk the talk, you'll have a tough time motivating your team, since every individual of your team will be looking at your actions carefully. You have to lead by example and demonstrate strong leadership skills throughout the project journey. Along the way, there will be challenges and opportunities. However, that's when you have to keep your team working as a collaborative unit to achieve a strong organizational goal. Second, be agile. As mentioned earlier, a good project manager should stay updated with the changing technology advancement to improve performance and efficiency at the work. Traditional project management methodology can be time consuming and rigid for today's flexible business environment. Agile project management is an iterative approach that allows you to make adjustments as you go along instead of following the linear path. Using this methodology, you can respond quickly to arising issues and changes. The agile approach promotes collaborative working that goes a long way in ensuring the smooth progress of the project. Third, say no to micromanagement. Good project managers are not control freaks, but true leaders who hone the skills and talent of their team members to make them realize their true potential. Once you've made the plan and assigned the goals, it's time to step back and let your team do its own thing while monitoring progress from the background. Micromanagement can hamper your team's performance and also demotivate its member. Don't be overly analytical and invest extra time perfecting the detail. Focus on achieving milestones and maintain the right balance between hard and soft skills. Fourth one, practice effective time management. Using up-to-date project management software with the inbuilt time tracking software can help to minimize time wastage at the work. Managing time smartly is one of the key to successful project management, and you cannot afford to press the wrong button there. Create a to-do list, prioritize tasks, add time sheet, set time estimate, define critical project evaluation, and evaluate at the end of each phase. This will help you identify areas where time can be saved and visualize all your data time at one central place. 6.1. Open communication. Good communication is a key to better collaboration between the project manager and the team. While using different modes of communication instant like chat, messaging, voice call, emails and video conferencing is crucial to convey the message from the leadership to the lower brass at the right time. It's also important to encourage bottom-up communication flow. Open communication policy where all members are encouraged to voice their concern and ideas. As a project manager, it's important to be attentive, patient listener to understand what your team members are going through. This eliminates waiting game and cut down the possibility of mistake, hence saving you previous time and money. Note, whether you're managing a big or a small, there are many factors that determine its success down the road. The combination of using the best team, the top project management software, and right methodology is guaranteed to deliver your successful project to the client in times. Now let's understand few factors that are crucial to success of any project. Clear and clearly articulate the goal. Comprehensive long-term and the detailed planning. Early definition of deliverable quality criteria. Active executive support with the shared vision throughout the project life. Carefully planned implementation, concise, consistent, complete and unambiguous business and technical requirement, realistic estimates and schedules, early risk analysis and ongoing risk management, planning for business process change management, proactive issues resolution, stakeholder involvement throughout the life cycle, a skilled project manager experience in the execution of project management best practices, standard software infrastructure, execution of formal system development methodology, a containment team, are committed to success. Now let's have a look to the factors that often contribute to the failure of project. Lack of stakeholders' user input, incomplete and defined requirement of specification, changing requirement or specification, lack of executive support, insufficient planning, underestimate time and resources allocated for design, development, and quality assurance. Technologically incompleteness, insufficient resources, unrealistic expectation, unclear objective, unrealistic timeframes, new or untested technologies. There will always be a roadblock or unknown that can cause a project to be delayed. But clear communication is a key to effective project management. Even if you are not a project manager, following this critical step can put you and your team on the path of success. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Hope this video will help you in your future. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And do check out our books on project management. Thank you.